ever thought about what would happen if everybody who sews, crochets, and knits focused on crafting the clothes and accessories they actually need instead of blindly following the latest knit or sew along? The fashion industry is one of the most polluting industries and is not always people and animal friendly. When people start making their own clothes and choosing to spend their free time in a productive yet fun way, they need businesses that provide them with the good materials. And that's where you come in. The business owner that takes care in creating and curating in a more conscious way. You probably started from your passion. And if I may be so blunt, you probably don't have a formal business education. In fact, I'm pretty sure you don't feel very comfortable with terms like marketing, branding, and selling. Sometimes the daily swamp of tasks is so overwhelming that it's really hard to rise above it and choose the actual things you need to do to make your business grow and be more visible, viable, and sustainable for yourself and your family. I know this because this was me 5 years ago. I was in my shop selling, yarn dyeing, teaching, and I never seemed to get to the growing part. I was the maker and seller, but I'm also a trained marketer and photographer. Everything else I've learned on the job. I've got a family of 4, 3 chickens and 2 cats, a couple of chronic illnesses, and a neurodiverse brain. Heart surgery and COVID made me reevaluate and realize that there are a lot of other business owners like me. I could use my time and talents to help them and shift my business and my daily routine to something that is fun and manageable and still grow my business. I took out time to fill in some blanks, learned about fair pricing and ethical marketing, about branding a business that can be part of a change in the world. I'm dedicating my time now so you can feel less intimidated by these terms, learn about them, and even start to love implementing them. I know, right? So you can become part of a solid and fair industry and have some fun along the way. So, welcome to Pattern Shift, the show that supports overwhelmed small business owners in the fiber and needlecraft industry. My name is Saskia de Feiter. I'm your host, and every other week I'll be joined by small business owners like you as we dive deep into setting up and organizing our businesses for growth and personal well-being. Whether you're a yarn dyer, yarn and fabric shop owner, knitting teacher or designer, or a crafter interested in what our industry looks like behind the curtains, you're in the right place. From June 9th, Pattern Shift takes off and you can be part of it. Send me a voice message via patternshift.fm and talk to me about your struggles and questions so I can answer them in a future episode. Before we get started though, a quick reminder to get on our list to receive business insights and actionable tips. Sign up via the show notes or go to patternshift.fm and click on the homepage top right button. Until next time, and make your stitches count. If you are a busy small business and sending out mails and newsletters never seem to get past a way too long email that you send every month or so, or even just every quarter, and then you do, and you go over it so many times that the first thing you put in there is already outdated. Sound familiar? Here's why I think Flowdesk is the best email marketing platform for small businesses in the fiber and needlecraft industry specifically, because we don't have much time and we don't typically have a marketing and communication education. We need aesthetically pleasing content. It just needs to look good, right? Well, Flowdesk makes it super easy to send out your emails. They look great and it's actually fun to work with Flowdesk. One of the biggest things I've learned in running a business is that simple and straightforward is not only good enough, it's actually better. As small businesses, we don't need all the complicated stuff. We just need to send beautiful mails regularly for a good price. And when you're ready, you can get into welcome sequences and nurture sequences, but no need to get into that now. Flowdesk University can teach you when you're ready. The price is set, so no maximum amount of subscribers. And with my link, you'll get a 50% discount. The discount is connected to my affiliate link, and if you go through it to make a purchase, I will earn a commission. This helps me to keep the podcast going, but keep in mind that I only share companies that I truly believe in, like this female-run inclusive company. I've used MailChimp and Sendinblue and have now been using Flowdesk for a couple of years at half the price of what I used to pay. It's all I need and more, but not too much and super simple to use. Go ahead, try it out. Go to flowdesk.com/C/asmallalive or find the link in the show notes. The C is the letter C, so flowdesk.com/C/asmallalive.